good morning guys. Welcome to my channel. Lord is our camo. Yeah, we're going to somewhere guys. Road trip. Road trip guys. Pakita ko sa iyo kung gaano kaganda yung aming island here. A lot of mountain over there. Yeah, very nice. Yan, the rice field over there. Yan, after ng paing guys, ang ganda ng palibot, malamig. Yan, malamig guys. Ilang minutes na ba ito? 1 minute. Bisita kami sa palibot namin guys after ng bagyo kagabi. Ayan, nandito kami guys. Magso-survey kami kung ano na mga nangyayari sa community. Ayan, fish pond over there. Ayan, balik to the road. Mountain over there. Again, mountain and rice field. Gonna tour you guys in our place. All right, I think it's okay. I think everything's okay. Ayan. Yan guys, yung aming proper barangay Luksoon here. Diyan naman yung school. Yan, school yan guys. Dito kami sa proper ng Luksoon. Ayan guys, high school. Yan yung high school guys. High school Luksoon National High School. Yan, welcome. Yan, dadalawin natin yung mga kababayan natin dito sa Luksoon guys. Nandito kami sa National Road. Nasa National Road kami guys. Ayan naman ang chapel ng Luksoon guys. Diyan. Ayan yung chapel guys. Diyan kami nagsisimba. Ayan. San Roque Chapel ng Luksoon. Ayan guys. Yan, nakita nyo yan dito banda. Ito yung nagka-landslide dati guys. Maraming bahay dito dati na landslide. Ayan, wala ng bahay. Natabunan silang lahat guys. Ng Urduha. Bagyong Urduha guys. Diyan yung na-landslide. Itong part na yan. Ayan guys. Naglilinis sila sa palibot. Ang DPWH. Ayan. Ayan, DPWH. Nililinis nila dito guys kasi ayan, baha dito kahapon. Hindi ito madaanan. Hindi madaanan tong part na to guys. Ayan, until na may tubig pa. Ayan guys. Inaayos ang palibot. Nililinis ang palibot guys mula nung ano. Magabi dito hindi ito passable guys. Dahil hanggang baywang yung tubig dito. Ayan. Yung yan guys. Ayan, nagka-landslide a little bit. Ayan, nice. Ang tubig dyan, galing dyan guys kahapon. Galing sa bundok. Ayan, very nice. Hi. Pag alam na talaga nila. Ayan. Nilalakihan pa rin ang kalsada namin dito guys. Ayan. Hindi yan nasira sa bagyo guys. Ano lang yan. Talagang nag-construct sila dyan. Pinapalapat lalo yung road na to. Yan naman dyan guys. Yung Naval Spring swimming pool yan dyan guys. Sa taas swimming pool yan. Malapit kami sa mga swimming pool. Yeah, swimming pool yan dyan. Ano yung running water. Malamig dyan. Kasi nga bundok, marami kaming tubig dito island. Ang tubig namin dito ay malamig at sweet. Matamis ang aming tubig guys. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo guys ang aming palibot. Ayan. Ayan yung malaking lawa dyan sa baba guys. Ang ganda guys. Yan, nature. Sa gilid din, nature, mountain. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda ng nature, guys. I love nature. Ayan. So nice, very, very nice, guys. Nature pa more. Ayan, nature everywhere. And then the other side also is a mountain. Look, nature also. Ayan, okay, the mountain over there. Ayan, guys. Ayan, very nice. Very nice nature, guys. Refreshing, guys. Ayan. Natural water, guys. Look. Natural water yun. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Marami kaming water dito, guys. Oh, ayan. Sa mountain.
Wala ko ng video yan.
Ayan, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo ang fresh na water from the mountain. Ayan, guys. Malamig ang tubig. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ayan, daming water from the mountain, guys. See? Mayroong, anong tawag dito? Ayan, guys, from the mountain. Fresh na fresh ang water. Look. Oh, huh? Ayan. Pwede kayo maligo dito, guys. Ayan, malamig siya. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Wow! Ang lamig ng water. Wow! Ang lamig niya, guys. Ang daming water, guys, oh. Yan, from the mountain yan, guys. Kaya, prone talaga kami dito sa, sa landslide. Lalo na pag 1 week na yung ulan. Ayan, ang lakas ng tubig, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo yan. Ang linis pati. Napakalinis. Ang linis ng tubig, guys. Dito yan sa Luksoon, guys. Ayan yung pinanggagalingan ng water doon, guys. Mountain. Maraming water. Watery ang aming island. O, ayan, guys. Papunta na tayo sa kabila naman. Akit lang tayo, guys. Itinan natin yung ating mga... Ayan, ang ganda dito, guys. Oh. Ayan, maraming buko. Ayan, nature, rice field and nature. Ayan, guys, ang ganda. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Ang ganda-ganda, nature. Ala, what happened to this? Ayan, yung nabakbak yung espalto. Nabakbak yung espalto doon, guys. Ayan, nature. Ayan, pupunta na tayo dun sa kabila. Nakikita nyo ba yun, guys? Ang ganda. Hi! Ipapasyal ko kayo sa nature, guys. Kung bakit kawili-wili itong lugar na to. Napakaganda. Ayan, from the ocean, pupunta tayo ng nature. Ayan, ano pang hahanapin mo, guys? Nandito na lahat. Nature. Ayan ang nangyayari, guys. As the moment, ayan, guys. Ginagawa yun din yung namin. Ginagawa yung bridge. Yeah, they're working the bridge, guys. Ayan, malakas yung tubig, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Pero malinis yung tubig from the mountain. Ayan, from the mountain, guys. From there. Ayan, marami kaming water dito. We're going to the mountain, guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo, guys. Napakaganda. Ipapasyal ko kayo sa malamig na nature. Sa malamig na place ng aming island. Ito pa mountain tayo. Tapos tayo sa ocean. So, dito tayo sa mountain. We're going to the mountain, guys. Ayan, the river there. Ayan, there's a river. Machine. Ang tawag dyan. Ang tawag dyan, hindi ko alam tawag dyan. Ayan, mga project yan, mga construct. Ha? Equipment. Yan, equipment para sa atong palibot. Ayan ang ating nature. Pagkatapos ng paeng na bagyo. Okay naman siya, guys. Passable naman. Salamat sa Ginoo. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Passable ang aming place, aming kalsada, na patuloy na pinapaganda ng aming mga LGU, ng aming mga national. Ayan, ang ganda. Ginagawa din, guys. Oh. Ginagawa yung bagong bridge. Ayan. Ayan. Hi! Good morning! Ayan yung bagong bridge, guys. We're going to the top of the mountain. Ayan guys, madulas guys. Ayan, the equipment is still there. Equipment. Ayan, we're going to the up. So nice guys. Look, the road is very good. Yeah, very good. Clear and passable. Ayan guys, the road is passable. Ayan, hindi na kami makaakyat. Ayan guys, welcome to my channel, Lourdes Arcamo guys. Ayan, ang bilis ng pick up from the top. Ayan guys, ayan the big tree. Ayan, oh, and nasa baba guys. Yan, nasa taas na kami. We're going to the top. So yun yung dinaanan namin sa baba. Ayan, umikot kami. Ayan guys, I love nature. Ayan, really cold, natural cold guys from the nature. Napakasarap. Parang na-filter na yung ano mo, yung air. Filterized na yung air. Fresh, nalalanghap mo guys. Ayan. After ng paing na bagyo guys. I-premiere ko to later. Ayan guys. Kudos to my hubby na nagda-drive. Ayan. Very supportive. Thank you so much. Ayan guys, welcome. Nasa top of the mountain na tayo guys, but still the road is passable and clear. Very nice. Yeah, the fog is over there in the mountain and there's a lot of dog. Yan, mountain, nice road. Ayan, fogging. The mountain is fogging guys. Let's see. The mountain is fogging over there. Very nice. Very nice place. Very beautiful. Fresh. Fresh like the host. Wah, ha, ha, ha. Yan. Ilang minutes na? 12 minutes. Ayan guys. Dito na guys, and then we will make another. Thank you. Ayan, the rice, nagbibilad sila ng rice. Ayan guys, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share and comments to my vlog, Lourdes Arcamo guys. Thank you for watching guys. I love you and mwah mwah mwah.